BBA LLB. The topic for this video lecture is role of customers in service delivery. As you all know, customers are the most important elements when a service is being delivered. Service is delivered, then customers are playing a major role. They take it, they perform it, they taste it, they sense it. So, for example, if a refrigerator is being delivered, customer is the major person who takes out the drawbacks of this, or who takes the delivery, or who understands the entire process, who defines the process. He is a major element. So, if I say service delivery for customers can be seen in a factory, the place the service is produced and is consumed, interacting with the employees and other customers. Example, in a classroom or in a training session, the students sitting there are can be considered sitting in a factory. They are the customers in the service delivery. Since these customers are present during the service production, customers can contribute to or detract from the successful delivery of the service and to their own satisfaction. Importance of customers in service delivery. Customers point out at every moment of the service delivery, they are the major elements. If I say in a gym, when you are going to avail the gym services, the person who is using the gym services, he is the major element. He points out the difficulties, the equipments, the cleanliness, the hygiene, the refreshment or something, or some drink or diet or something offered in between. He, in fact, is the major element who indicates the drawbacks in your entire process. In my earlier video, when I have talked about service blueprint is something, it is the entire process starting from the very end and ending at when the service is being delivered. There I talked about the front end and the back end and the service processes. So the same point we can imply in a gym. Here also it is front end and back end and the process in between. If it is considered like this, so customers are playing a major role. They are the competitors. They are the major persons who perform participation in service delivery. They in service, not in products, but in service, their participation is a major process. If they are participating, then they have a key role. Level of participation low, medium, high varies across different services. In some cases, all that is required is the customer physical presence, with the employees of the firm doing all the service production work, as in case of a ghazal or a musical concert. The listeners must be present to receive the entertainment service. In other cases, customer inputs are required to aid the service organization in creating the service delivery. This is moderate level of participation. Inputs can include information, effort, or physical possessions. All three of these are required in case of accounting services. Who prepares a client's income tax return effectively? Information is in the form of tax history, marital status, and number of dependents. Customers' role, they are working as a productive process. And how? Let me now explain how are they working as a productive process. Service customers are referred to as partial employees of the organization. They are human resources who contribute to the organization's productive capacity. In other words, if customers contribute effort, time, or other resources to the service production process, they should be considered as part of the organization. Customer inputs can affect the organization's productivity through both quality and quantity of output. Example, research suggests that in an IT consulting context, clients who clearly articulate the solution they desire, provide needed information in a timely manner, communicate openly, gain the commitment of key internal stakeholders, and raise the issues during the process before it is too late will get better service. They are in fact working as the quality contributors to service delivery and satisfaction. Another role customers are playing is that they are contributing to their own satisfaction and the ultimate quality of the services they receive. Customers may care little that they have increased their productivity through their participation, but they care too much about whether their needs are fulfilled or. Research has shown that in education, active participation by students as you are in a class, as opposed to passive listening, increases learning the desired service output significantly. I again repeat, in a class, I am giving an example of a class of students and teachers. If students are actively participating, the class will become more productive. The teacher will give more results. Teacher will definitely do much better, and he or she will definitely give results. If you are working as a passive listener in a class, teacher will definitely be also passive. One more heading which I want to share in this video: customers as competitors. If self-service customers can be viewed as resources of the firm, as partial employees, self-service customers, they can partially perform the service or the entire services for themselves and may not need the provider at all. Customers, thus, in that sense, are competitors of the companies that supply the service. Whether to produce a service for themselves, it is an internal exchange. Example: childcare, home maintenance, that is, have some else provided home services from them, external exchange, is a common dilemma for consumers. So briefly, I want to say that customer is playing a very major role, not in products but in services. You as a student in a class are also playing a major role when a service is being delivered. So this is all about my video about the importance of customers in service delivery. Definitely you can speak to me, you can give me a call if you have any doubts. Thank you.